everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner. How you doing, guys? So we've got a second part of the Xbox Series X disassembly. So I did help ourselves and I removed some screws. It's still the same screwdriver bit in the part 2, so the inner section of the Xbox. It's still the same dust which we left here, okay? Those small screws are across this metal bit here, and just watch out because one of them holds this, okay? Underneath you'll have another screw which is holding power supply. Let me get this dust off, keep the dust off, okay? And then you're gonna have here one screw, look, oh, okay, and that's a long one, I think, as far as, yeah, that's a long one, exactly. And here is the short one, the black one, the same which I showed you just, okay? And then at the end here, here 1 and 2 are the long ones as well, okay? So worth knowing. Now before removing this, you've got 1, 2, you see on the edge is longer and then it's shorter. And then it's a shorter, I think, as well, or no, this might be longer, a medium one, medium one, I think. Oh no, short one, wrong. Now you can lift it up, you can now lift, grab onto this, do like that, and then it will go, yes, and it's loose. The only thing is that it's here, it is a rubbery thing. So here is triple, same, black, yes, 1, come on, I meant to do it quicker, not slower. I'll do it on my way, because it will be quicker. I wanted to speed up so that the video is not, you know, so long. Okay, so voila. Now when we've got this, we can detach it. It's just on this small connector, so you just pull pretty much. Now this one is loose, this is in the middle is a screw as well. Here it's the middle one, okay? Now underneath here we had one more, and there are two, one and, oh, that's not unscrewed totally, okay, as well the black one. So these ones, what else here? Here is the long one which I was trying to get rid of, and one black and one silver. One, okay, and one silver. Telling you, sometimes it's so easy. I could drill actually. Oh, that's the long one, yeah. Now we can lift it up, okay, on the side. And to disconnect power supply you need to get rid of this one, so you just lift it and then you create this one available. Now there is a button, so you just need to insert your finger over there underneath it, yes, press it and then wiggle the wire. And then if you will take it out, you'll know that there is a wee button on the side which you had to press in originally, yes. So that's when it's done. You know, you could do it even quicker. On one of the sides you will see that it's a connection, see here, okay, and here is another one, okay. Or you could go around and it would be easier to take out, yeah, because I know how it's working. I don't mind, either or is working for me, so it's fine. Now you can lift it up, but you've got one more small connector here as well. It's a press pull, okay. This power supply gives about 12 or 14 volts, something like that. Now what we need to do is, the HDMI port is here, okay, that's the HDMI port. So what we need to do is we need to open it further, and here on the sides we need to press and then pull this one. So on the side you press in and then you're pulling, and then this one can go out. Now we've got a board where the HDMI socket is, so you don't have to touch this one at all. Just keep it in mind, because I've done in the past, you know, like the first time I was doing it, I start to open this one. I had, of course, more work. So now about this part, okay, here is a bit of a dust, so you can clean it off, you know, like here, but it's okay. Now this one, this blue stuff, I'm taking off. You don't have to if you want, but I'm taking off, and I'll tell you why I'm taking it off. So when I wasn't doing it, I end up having a mess, because I was let's say touching it, and I was making a mess. So I decided to take it off. Doesn't bother you, then you don't have to do it, but I don't like to touch it. And the same for this one here. There is one more, it's here. Okay, so I'll get the brush to the bin, get that dust off, and now same story again. You can be okay. If you think you will be okay, try it and see. And now I don't like to have this cable here as well. Okay, so that's what it is. And now keep in mind that it's this way. Okay, it's this way. So don't mix it up, because I've been in and I've done that. I went the other way around, and then I had to I have to reopen it and redo it again. So that's you pretty much. Now is the last part. How many minutes? 7 minutes. Good. Okay, so the timing is not bad. To open this part and to remove the board for real, yes, without, you know, like if you don't want to work on this and you want to use your hot air from the bottom, you need to remove this section. And in order to remove this section, watch out, because I've done at one point that the coil went off, one of the coils, I don't remember which coil, but I've done it, and then I had to open it again, find which coil it was, solder the coil, and put stuff back together. So just watch out, yes, watch out. Don't do anything that you can regret. I think this coil here I was doing, I think this one, when I'm looking at it. So what I'm doing is I'm putting my finger here, and lifting it. Yes, that's how I'm doing it. As you can see, it's not perfect, and I see already that it's either I don't remember something, or no, it's going. It's going, it's just not perfect. I'd rather do it on my finger than do it on the PCB, because if I'll do anything on the PCB, I can damage components. Okay, so you need to take it off because there is a clamp, and without taking the clamp, guess what? Okay, now it's gone. So it was easier to start for me from the other side, and I stuck here where the coil is. Okay, so again, you see where the coil is, again I've stuck it. Okay, so how to do it? Just need to be careful. That's how to do it. Just be careful, please. Okay, there is this, I thought there was something else more. So okay, if you've got on one side, continue to the second side. Again, be careful guys, because I've been there and I've done that, and it's regrets later. Okay, so two sides are easier to do, and if you do those easier sides, then the rest is easier. I'm leaving those coily sides the last one, yes, to do. And then I'm straightening up those at the end. Okay, so now when I've got those, now I know that mainly it's the sides which are holding. Okay, and now, ouch, my fingers. Okay, so we have this side done, we have this side done. Oh no, this is something still holding, which is the easiest side of them all, and yet it's not really okay. I see, and that's what it is, and that's what's left now, is just straight them up, straight them up, straight them up. I can leave it for now, you know, you don't have to watch me doing it. Now here is the same screwdriver, believe it or not, so everything is one screwdriver. You start with one bit and you will have the same bit to the very end. Now what I'm doing with this is just letting go on the opposite sides. Okay, and then when it's more loose, I can continue to the other ones, and I don't try to leave only pressure on one side. That's why I do it this way, the same way like with cylinder head in the car. Now it's okay because now it's loosened up, so it's fine. Yes, it's 1, it's 2, 3, and the 4. Okay, so now it's safe and sound. Now it's okay. Now it's happy days, you can say. Yes. Oh, something holds here. Oh, and that's it. Okay, no liquid metal, it's not PS5. So this on this, this on that, this on this, this on that. That's you. And now you're ready to do whatever you need with this board, because now it's fully disassembled apart from this metal, whereas the storage, it's the drive, yes? So that's the only place with, if you would like to deal something with it, and the rest is available for you to do whatever you want. Guys, that's 13 minutes video. Hopefully you know now how to open Xbox Series X. If you did learn something, please leave us some like button, and if you have any questions, leave them down below. And thank you for liking, and see you in the next one. Bye bye. If possible, read what the Intecracy stands for below this video.